Welcome. Today we'll explore creating a landing page on your phone. No computer needed. Let's dive in. Start by choosing a landing page app. Look for user-friendly options with drag and drop features. Next, pick a template. Make sure it suits your business and grabs attention. Customize your template, add text, images, and your brand's colors for a personal touch. Make sure to include a strong call to action. Encourage visitors to take the next step. Finally, review and publish. Share your landing page with the world and watch your audience grow. And there you have it, a simple guide to creating a landing page on your phone in 2024. Don't forget to share your success. Engage with your audience and gather feedback. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Your journey in digital marketing starts now. Thanks for watching. Let's make 2024 the year of growth and creativity. Tap the link below for additional resources and detailed guides. See you next time, and good luck with your landing page creations.